Enter a short prompt into your computer, and in less than 10 seconds, a fully complete, structurally perfect financial model materializes right in front of you. The rows and columns are arranged with exact precision. The tabs are cleanly divided by business scenario, and complex formulas run seamlessly from the balance sheet straight through to the cash flow statement. It looks exactly like the result of an analyst team pulling all-nighters for 3 straight weeks. This chart maps out a very specific psychological blind spot, the professional artifact illusion. When we are presented with something that is rendered flawlessly, instantly, and wrapped in a highly authoritative format, our natural human scrutiny simply drops to zero. We are completely disarmed by the aesthetic polish and sheer speed of the machine. The tool automates away our friction, leaving us perfectly willing to confidently accept a reality we have never actually verified. In modern corporate finance, asking, "Does this formula run?" is a dead question. The mechanics of basic calculation have been completely solved. Any standard processor in your pocket can execute millions of flawless arithmetic operations in a fraction of a microsecond without breaking a sweat. The actual threat is much quieter. That pristine mathematical perfection is now acting as a shield, aggressively masking the fatally flawed, hallucinated business assumptions buried deep inside the cells. If your formulas are mathematically sound, but based on a completely fabricated assumption about your profit margins, trusting that machine is the most efficient way to drive your company straight into ruin. To understand why this happens, we have to look closely at the spreadsheet interface itself. The standard grid is arguably one of the most dangerous surfaces in modern business. The danger lies in its strict uniformity. The interface forces every single piece of data to wear the exact same authoritative disguise, completely erasing the context of where that data actually came from. Look at these 2 distinct data points on the grid. On the left, a hard historical fact, last year's audited revenue. On the right, a highly volatile AI-generated assumption, an aggressive 20% jump in future margins. On the grid, both cells share the exact same font, color, and structural weight. That volatile assumption, fabricated by the language model, seamlessly feeds straight into the mathematical formulas. A single hidden hallucination multiplies, cascading through the logic, silently corrupting the entire financial model. The visual uniformity of the grid effectively tricks even the most experienced executives into equating a beautifully formatted layout with undeniable logical truth. There is a strict divide between raw output generation, simply making numbers appear on a screen, and an accountable work product, a rigorously tested document that dictates business survival. Artificial intelligence flawlessly bridges the aesthetic gap between the two. It generates raw, untested output that looks identical to a final, vetted product. The deeply frictionless design of modern AI interfaces actively discourages us from applying scrutiny. It removes the exact type of analytical friction required to find a fatal error. If management mistakes that beautiful first draft for a verified reality, the AI ceases to be a helpful tool and becomes a lethal weapon aimed directly at the company. When those unchecked models enter the physical world, the consequences are severe. Bad projections quickly translate into depleted liquidity, angry creditors, and corporate bankruptcy. The harsh legal reality is that a large language model cannot be subpoenaed. You cannot sue an algorithm when its flawed assumptions destroy your company's cash flow. Financial and legal liability cannot be automated. Accountability remains an exclusively human burden. Standing in a court of law or a bankruptcy proceeding, no judge will accept that the machine built the model that ruined the business. The traditional role of the spreadsheet builder is dead. Spending late nights manually typing data into grid cells is an entirely obsolete skill. The required evolutionary step is the rise of the system operator. Their sole surviving value is injecting human friction back into this completely frictionless machine. The operator must possess deep industry knowledge. They must manually excavate the assumptions buried by the AI and ruthlessly stress test them against reality. The ultimate test for this professional is the boardroom. They must be able to stand upright and successfully defend the model's logic against aggressive scrutiny from investors and the board of directors. The AI will always draw the beautiful, instantaneous first draft, but only the operator can legally and intellectually own the reality it represents. The global financial sector is currently undergoing an algorithmic overhaul, moving with the same momentum that permanently altered the landscape of software engineering. Coding was the first industry to be fully reshaped by AI because it possesses three specific traits that algorithms crave. The data is highly structured, the economic value is high, and the outputs are immediately evaluable. The code either runs successfully or it fails with an instant error report. These same three technical traits define the global financial system. Instead of syntax, it relies on strict decimals and transaction codes. Instead of software value, it deals in capital. And instead of compiler errors, it is governed by rigid accounting standards and legal compliance. Because finance is built on these absolute rules, it provides the native host environment for an algorithmic takeover. Historically, financial modeling was defined by muscle work. Analysts spent hours manually dragging Excel cells, formatting tabs, and typing out basic cost line items by hand. The blank page phase was the most energy-draining hurdle. Every new analysis required building a foundational architecture from scratch before the actual thinking could begin. AI compresses this timeline. It proposes a logical framework and builds the necessary formula scaffolding in milliseconds, instantly connecting tabs and setting up scenario analysis branches. This shifts the entire focus of the work. By removing the friction of manual setup, AI leaves a void where physical labor used to be. This shift is moving beyond the individual analyst's spreadsheet. It is now standard practice within the offices of chief financial officers and Big Four audit firms. These global organizations are now deploying agent AI, autonomous entities capable of complete self-directed execution rather than simple text generation. These agents operate within a digital environment to automate financial operations from the roots up. They remove the human intermediaries that traditionally governed high-volume workflows. This creates an independent workforce that calculates and executes on its own internal momentum. Within this network, AI systems execute payments directly, bypassing slower centralized hubs. As data packets move, they verify authorizations and draft microcontracts in real time. Compliance checks turn green in milliseconds. This maintains oversight, leaving a permanent millisecond-perfect audit trail documenting the entire transaction. Global finance is being rebuilt into a hyper-fast algorithmic money network, operating entirely without the friction of human intervention. This level of automation changes the human role. Financial professionals are moving out of manual data entry to become inspectors of the machine's underlying logic. When AI handles 80% of the execution, the remaining human energy must be concentrated entirely on the final 20%, the high-stakes strategy and decision-making. The job is now to act as an assumption inspector. The professional's value no longer comes from building the formulas, but from hunting for flaws in the AI's underlying premises. This clean, automated interface masks an intense concentration of cognitive load. Humans are now responsible for the most ambiguous and high-pressure parts of the process. This autonomous network operates with absolute internal logic. However, its success depends on the environment remaining as predictable as the code itself. But the financial system must eventually interact with the world outside the machine, the highly emotional and illogical behavior of human beings. The most catastrophic failures in this new architecture will occur at the point of collision, where a frictionless, high-speed algorithm slams into the unpredictable friction of the human world. Today, an artificial intelligence can generate a fully formatted, mathematically flawless financial model in a matter of seconds. But this speed obscures a sharp discrepancy between syntax and semantics. The machine excels at syntax. It structures cells, links sheets, and executes complex arithmetic across thousands of rows without a single calculation error. Yet it is completely blind to the semantics of your business, the strategic reality that dictates what those numbers actually mean. A polished user interface and accurate baseline math easily camouflage a highly unstable financial architecture. A spreadsheet that functions flawlessly in a digital vacuum becomes a trap the moment it encounters the friction of a real-world market. To understand why these models collapse, we have to look past the pristine formatting and examine the mechanical flaws underneath. The first failure point is the assumption of linear historical growth. AI relies heavily on past data to chart future performance. It assumes a steady upward trend, completely ignoring qualitative threats, like a major competitor preparing a sudden price war or a geopolitical event fracturing your supply chain. This chart shows a standard 10% growth projection, but the moment a single market shock intersects that trajectory, the machine's baseline assumptions are instantly invalidated. The second point of failure occurs when the model executes a perfect calculation for the wrong strategic timeline. This bar chart displays positive annual cash flow. It looks healthy from a macro perspective. But expanding to a 52-week micro timeline reveals week 14 dropping into negative territory. The system missed this temporary shortage, sending failure states cascading outward through the business. Getting the math right on the wrong timeline is a direct path to structural failure. The third failure point stems from the way large language models process information. They have an inherent bias towards statistical averages. During training, these systems actively iron out data irregularities to find clean, predictable patterns. Real markets do not operate on clean patterns. They are frequently dictated by sudden, violent anomalies and extreme edge cases. When an unpredicted, irregular market event drops onto a framework built entirely on smoothed averages, the foundation cannot support the uneven distribution of risk. The business experiences immediate operational paralysis because the model has no protocols for handling outliers. Designing a financial framework solely for the average scenario guarantees its collapse during a crisis. If we dig into the deepest layer of the model, we hit the fourth failure point, the black box deficit. AI will frequently insert hard-coded numbers, static values typed directly into complex formulas instead of being linked to an external reference. This data flow matrix illustrates the problem. Most glowing nodes trace back to an origin, but one node remains dark, disconnected from any source lineage. When new data flows in, this disconnected variable remains static, causing the entire downstream output to flash with error states. Analysts are then forced to manually reverse engineer the formulas, burning critical hours trying to untangle hidden assumptions. These untraceable data points turn a dynamic forecast into a static liability that cannot survive a market shift. This brings us to the fifth failure point, the illusion of sophisticated scenario logic. Human engineers build cross-logic constraints into their models. These act as lateral support beams, automatically balancing the data across the entire system when a single input changes. AI-generated scenarios rarely include these interdependent logic checks. Without those lateral supports, shifting a single foundational assumption immediately causes the entire unbraced structure to break apart. A minor real-world deviation from the AI's baseline parameters immediately renders the entire downstream forecast unusable. Without internal cross-constraints to automatically balance the math, the scenario logic is useless for live forecasting. The most severe consequence of these mechanical flaws does not happen on a hard drive. It happens in the boardroom. You bring this pristine, machine-generated output into a high-stakes meeting. The data is projected in stark brightness, leaving no room for ambiguity. Then, a stakeholder looks at a specific cell and asks the ultimate stress test question: why is the cost of capital exactly 12%? What is the logic behind this specific assumption? The generation speed of the software provides no defense here. The stakeholder requires human rationale. If you cannot explain the rationale behind that 12%, the board's confidence shifts from the model to your lack of technical oversight. A financial model represents your personal comprehension of the business. Outsourcing that foundational logic to an algorithm without deep human verification leaves you utterly defenseless against the scrutiny of the market.
Massive systemic risks have effectively ended the age of the spreadsheet builder. Your value as a finance professional no longer comes from the volume of data you generate. Today, AI constructs sprawling, complex financial models in seconds. It presents a facade of flawless formatting and pristine color coding, making the mathematics appear unassailable from the moment they appear on screen. This speed creates a psychological trap. When a human brain sees a finished aesthetic, it instinctively assumes the analytical labor is already complete and accurate. But visual splendor often masks unchecked data logic. Beneath a magnificent dashboard, a labyrinth of automated assumptions remains completely unverified by a human mind. This cognitive bias towards polished visuals creates a blind spot. We surrender our skepticism to the machine's speed, allowing logic errors to pass through the system simply because they look professional. Survival in this environment requires an operator doctrine. True AI literacy means the relentless auditing of the machine's output, rather than the ability to write complex prompts. You must use 5 specific tools to maintain control. First, force better inputs. Demand rigid, real-world parameters over vague assumptions. Second, inspect assumptions. Strip away formatting to hunt for impossible scenarios buried underneath. Third, the source trace. Mandate a transparent pathway linking every data point back to a verifiable origin. An untraceable data point creates a point of failure. In a vast financial network, one hallucinated number can trigger a cascade of errors through thousands of interconnected cells. You must treat every model as a liability until every origin point is verified. Verification is the only way to transform an automated draft into a trustable asset. Fourth, test scenarios. Apply violence to the model, pushing its logic through brutal market stress tests. You are searching for specific thresholds where internal logic physically snaps, knowing exactly when formulas fail before a real-world crisis proves it. The 5th tool is the changelog. Human operators must meticulously document every intervention and correction made to the AI's initial draft. This process defines your operational boundaries. It establishes exactly when a model becomes too dangerous to be used for real-world decision-making. The operator doctrine inverts the traditional role of a financial expert. Instead of spending your time building a machine, you spend your time trying to break it. Delegating the generation of financial maps to AI is now an irreversible current. The machine has taken over the foundational labor of building models. Attempting to return to manual, hand-built spreadsheet creation is impossible in the modern landscape. The speed of the market no longer allows for it. This creates 2 paths: the blind believer who trusts the automated output, and the ruthless skeptic who manages it. The wise operator resists the temptation of speed. They hold the reins of understanding, refusing to delegate their judgment to a process they haven't interrogated. That deep understanding allows the operator to do what the machine cannot: identify the single cell within a magnificent spreadsheet that is silently producing a false output. The interrogators who can expose the silent lie hidden within the perfect machine will command the future of the industry.